Good afternoon, kids. Open your picture book. Go to page number 6. Today you have to read and learn birds' name. So, number 1 is eagle. Number 2 is peacock. Number 3 is pigeon. Number 4 is duck. Number 5 is cock. Number 6 is koel. Number 7 is crow. Number 8 is woodpecker. Number 9 is parrot. Number 10 is sparrow.